Hi guys. In this podcast, we were going to discuss about Kurdi. And hi Andy and hi Aniket. Yeah,
Hi, Subbu.
yeah, yeah. Okay. Like okay. Some
Where do you want to start?
yeah. Like do anybody
Yeah,
want to start first? Who's going first? Okay, I'll go first.
take the lead.
Yeah,
It will be good.
Okay.
yeah,
So, okay, basically, Kuruthi, okay, so it's about this Kuruthi. It was like very unique film I have ever watched, especially in Indian cinema. And I had few things about a few assumptions about Kerala in my mind. You can
okay.
call them stereotypes, but there is no religion based. They are just like so that notion came out of my mind after watching Kuruti. Okay, so basically the message they wanted to give, they gave it indirectly through film. And when it comes to the designing those characters, so it was like that film reminded me of one Kannada film that is. So the plot
Yeah,
of
what's the film name? Kannada film name?
the film that like one night
My God.
color grading in Kuruti will find the same thing. Okay, it was like they balanced the message what they wanted to do. Like by the climax, you will never be able to understand like they were from which side, not even from Hindus side, neither from Muslim side. Okay, so designing the climax was very difficult thing for, and I was worried about the climax, that what they will show in climax. Okay, and but they have shown it very like neutrally, like both the characters, like both the extremists, they are standing in front of each other, and the films like it ends. Okay, so many good films I have watched like this, like even in Mandela Tamil film,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Subbu, if you're aware,
yeah,
they didn't show like to whom this man votes, because
yeah,
the moment they
yeah,
tells
yeah,
the climax, like, or the moment they reveals what will happen, there only it will like destroy your film. So the better they ended it by bringing those characters up front. Okay. Now, one thing, I have seen Roshan Matthews films, but this role he did was very excellent. But another thing, Prithviraj. I have never seen Prithviraj in any of such characters. Like these before films I have watched, like Celluloid, or this recent one, Cold Case, or
yeah,
even in this Lucifer. I have
yeah, yeah,
never seen any of such role, because his entry scene, it was very scary. Actually, it was
yeah,
very
yeah,
scary. His eyes and like he was literally looking like a extremist Muslim. Okay, and the way he says the dialogues, like when I was in Paris, that lady came to me and she said she felt this lady felt the same to me.
yeah.
So those dialogues like were very amazing. And another thing I noted was the cinematography. Almost like I would say the last some 40-50 minutes were almost in dark, like they were chasing on cars, bikes, so the shooting and technical part, it was very good, and the VFX were nice, and the message what they wanted to give like about communalism was amazing. Like they depicted it very well through the story, and that's what I like about this. And the acting was very good. Yeah, one more thing about the character of that, what is the name of that old uncle, Musa?
Musa Kadir.
Yeah, mom.
The
Yeah,
character names was Musa
that,
Kadir.
yeah, so
Yeah,
that character I like because he's very uneducated,
yeah,
but through his dialogues you can assume that this man is just talking about the humanity.
yeah,
He doesn't know much more things about religion or any people. He just know about the humanity. And few more dialogues like which affected me were like that when that what is the name of that lady? Sorry, I don't remember Malayalam names,
Stina,
but
Sum.
Strinda.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, that Hindu lady
Sumati.
when
Yeah,
her
yeah.
husband.
Her original name was
Uh,
Strinda,
so,
and in the film it was Sumati.
Yeah.
So when her husband comes, like during that night, and then those the characters started struggling, and everyone like they started debating about their religions. And at that particular time, that man says, like, before this, we were almost same to each other, but now we are discriminating amongst ourselves. So that dialogue was very influential in that film. So they have shown like with dialogues as well as with the help of story, they have shown this communalism background, and yeah, religion and really like basically I won't call it blind faith or on religion, but I would call it extremism. They have shown it, like humanity is always greater than extremism. That's what it is. Yeah. And
Andy.
Yeah. So yeah, Aniket has said quite a really good points that he has taken. He's said that this film doesn't takes the side of the Hindus or the Muslims. It talks about the human flaw, that the film talks about the human flaw of hating people and
Yeah.
expressing its rage as a being. So this film takes that side. This easily could have been like that the oath, the character of Roshan Matthews
Yeah.
Ibrahim takes that oath. He could have easily captured him and gave that guy Vishnu to the police and kept his oath. But he let him free. So only he faces the other side of extremism
Yeah.
at the hanging bridge. So all of these, I don't know if you people know, but this is symbolic. These are stories from Islam. There is an Islamic story about Ibrahim.
Okay.
The guy who started Judaism.
Okay. Yeah, I think I've kind of
So
heard it. Yeah.
so if you have knew about the story of Bakar Eid,
No, I didn't know.
so it was actually I didn't remember it in detail,
Okay,
but
okay.
the gist of the story is that the goat was to be sacrificed, and he says that goat is a living being like us humans, and it shouldn't be sacrificed. So then God asks him, if you don't want to sacrifice the goat, you have to sacrifice a thing that is dear to you other than goat.
Okay.
So he says, okay, get my son, take a sacrifice of my son. And then God is really overwhelmed with the generosity of Ibrahim, and he says that I won't kill him, but you need to sacrifice something. So eventually the goat dies.
Okay.
Okay, eventually the goat dies. So this is that. And there is also one thing in Islam that they call it a bridge. There is a bridge in Islam. There is a symbolism, a bridge which is of a sword. It's if you give me हिंदी में बोलते हैं तलवार की धार का पुल होता है. So it's edge of the sword.
Okay.
So it's a bridge like edge of the sword. So you see in Anting you see the characters in there at the bridge facing each other. So there is a lot of symbolism from religion itself, and then telling that there is nothing about religion. So he could have easily Ibrahim's character has easily said that take this Hindu guy away.
Yeah.
He won't have, and the prejudices are so much clear that when the inspector Satyam, his character name was Satyam. Yeah. So when he enters the home, he grabs the jug of water and he is drinking the water, and suddenly he sees hanging on the wall which has a Quran ayat written on it, and he drops and stop drinking the water.
Yeah.
So he knows that he is in a little trouble. So all these things were really good. And when you are cramped for characters with just 5 or 6 characters, nothing more than that.
Yeah.
So you need, and you make a really good, a well-paced action thriller. It almost becomes an action thriller by after the interval. Almost
Yeah.
becomes an action thriller.
Yeah.
First, it starts like a drama thriller, and then slowly graduates to an action thriller. So that transition to the genre was also really good, and the performances were really good, and the screenplay written was really nice. There is a thing called, I will be into detail, but there is a thing called Shepkov's gun.
Okay.
I don't know if I'm naming it correctly,
Okay.
but it's a thing that if you state something in your screenplay, that thing should come. So Shepkov's gun is that if in a story, in the first page, you have written about a gun which is hanging on a wall, so the gun must fire in the 10th page of the book. So that happens in the starting. We see that nest of
Yeah.
flies.
Flies. Yeah.
Huh?
Bee.
Bees.
Yeah.
That has its significance. The bike has its significance.
True. Yeah. Okay.
The
We discuss all this later. Yeah. Like
yeah. There are so much of things in the screenplay, really tightly written, and gets the message across correctly in the spirit. And surely they didn't wanted to talk about the message of peace. They were trying to create an understanding about the human nature for
Yeah.
this rage that we have. So I like the message of the film, and I must say that it had a really Korean cinema approach about it.
Okay.
The color grading and the storytelling, and you can really connect it with something like Parasite.
Yeah. Understand.
But Parasite had a different tonality. It had humor in it. This one just had the thriller and cinematography, editing, color grading, and the songs and the background music, though really good. Director Manu Warrier had really, means he has made a really good film.
Coffee.
I must say that.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, and for me, the characterizations, like I'm just blown away. Like you used to remember each and every characters. I mean, like most of the characters I have after watching the film. Yeah, like last month we have seen a film called Sarpata where there were lot of characters. We used to remember every character even now. Likewise, this film also have used to remember Roshan Matthew, Prithvi Raj, or Murli Gopi, or Shine Town Chako, or Manikatan Acharyan, or the father character played by Mukaya, and the lady character played by Srindarik. Everybody did their work properly. And also the background music, wow, like it's really great. And I think it reminded me of this Joji, Sagat Fasil's Joji. Like that film also have this. At one point, Fahad Fasil used to walk in the mountain. Okay, he used to walk back to his home, and at that time, that is be kind of symphony kind of music. And that adds beautifully for that film. Likewise, here at one point, when when they were fighting, okay, when he was at his at the roof, at that time the music was amazing, man. Like, and also like you guys said, the cinematography. was really good. Like it reminded me of another film, it reminded me of few other films even Kala, Tomino Thomas Kala. Like it used to happen, only one place, only one home. Yeah,
One.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but here it is happening only in the only in the only inside of the home. But there, the film used to happen the outside, and the backyard was very big. Okay, but here it is a small home, and here the camera used to keep showing each and everybody like so that they can make us engaging while watching the film. Yeah, even at the point when Prithviraj enters into the screen, like they used to keep showing Roshan Mathew first, and then his father, and then his brother, and then and the girl, like so that like we'll see like everybody's reaction, what they are like. One guy is scaring a lot. One guy, this father is like, what the hell is happening here? Like who are these guys? Yeah, and also this guy is Murli Gopi. Like first he thought that we are going to we are going to save this guy, save this Vishnu. Yeah, he thought that he'll surrender this guy to the in the court. But then when Prithvi enters, he uh, yeah, he scared a lot. Like so, when oh my god, I'm just deviated. Yeah, I, 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 I was coming to say that the characterization was written brilliantly, and also the performance of the characters that help that everything when everything collided, you'll get a perfect film. Okay, that is what this film. Yeah, everything is perfect in this film. Okay, yeah, the music and the music and the cinematography synced well, and that's why the thrill will work. Okay, when the for me, what I believe is when the cinematography and music is synced properly in a thriller film, and if it works, then the film definitely works for sure, and that is what this film also for me. Yeah, and I'm a huge fan of Prithviraj. And last film, I'm completely disappointed with Cold Case. Yeah, I was this is not Prithviraj film, because he come up with some great hits like driving license and I from Koshim, two biggest hits, and then he coming up and doing this kind of a film. I was like, I'm completely disappointed. So I don't have any expectations for this film, and thank God I don't have any expectation. That's why I love this film. Yeah, yeah, and we'll discuss other other aspects in this film. Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah, yeah, go.
so I was really amazed when I saw the in opening credits only that when it said that Prithviraj fan clubs and welfare association. I was like, you are running a welfare association for your fans, man.
Yeah,
That's
he's running
something.
this for few years, I guess. Yeah,
Yeah, but
yeah.
nobody does it for in Hindi cinema.
Oh, yeah,
Hindi
yeah,
cinema has a yeah, stars like Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan. Salman Khan has a charity thing,
yeah, yeah, yeah,
as a popular charity thing,
yeah, yeah, yeah,
but
yeah.
he doesn't has a welfare association for
Yeah,
his fans.
he's completely extinct. He's doing this and all, and then he'll get stuck in an accident, things and all. So he'll do
Even
everything.
not even in Telugu cinema,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
even Telugu cinema, like they have like huge fan base. Allu Arjun has or
Yeah, yeah.
Chiranjeevi or Ram Charan. But even in Telugu cinema, I didn't see such things in opening credit. But even while watching Mammootty's films or Mohanlal's films, no,
Yeah.
I see that thing like
Yeah.
Mohanlal fans welfare.
Yeah, like I think I should still this, okay, like in 1980s in Malayalam cinema, both Mammootty, Mohanlal, and few of the actors, okay, few of the actors like like a few of the actors, and they have started a production house, okay, and like both the actors were superstars in 86 and all. They were superstars, both Lalitan and Mamuka, both are superstars then. So if there were two superstars, there would be competition, right? But there is nothing like that. They were like they are running a production together, and they used to produce few films where Lalitan used to act, Mohanlal used to act, and those films are very biggest hits. And because of the films, he like he, his market uh, reached a lot. Okay, we'll say this like he's first, he's second. Okay, likewise, Lalitan becomes first, and this guy becomes second. But they didn't have any partiality or anything like that. That's what the thing I really love about Malayalam cinema. Like they don't have this competition things and all. But here you cannot say like in Tamil or Telugu or anywhere you cannot see that kind of things. Yeah, yeah. Okay, we'll come back. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
see
like,
about this film, there was a total clarity in the director's head and the writer. The writer who's written the story, screenplay, and the dialogues for the film. He and director both had the clarity. So you would see that clarity in the cinematography when you see those close-up shots, when you see those low angles shots, when you see those action sequences, those choreographed action sequences. That clarity, they know what genre they are dealing with, and what story, and what is the message that they are going to convey. They know it. You don't get this much of clarity in cinema much. That's why a lot of films are just a mixed bag of emotions. But when you have clarity of thought, when you give pinpoint that this is what we are talking about,
and
you don't see. And employment of the characters, that how the characters brew, like you see that the Ibrahim's brother, Rasool, he is not a radicalist. He hasn't become a radicalist till all of these things transpire in the screenplay. He's not an radicalist till these things happen. His radicalization has started before that night starts. So his radicalization has started, but he doesn't becomes an extremist till these all things have transpired. So these things, and how the character of the Musa Kadir, that character, such awesome dialogues, man, such awesome dialogues.
But
that the house,
that preachy, but the only one thing I felt, it was like at one point it becomes little preachy for me.
Preachy. The dialogues are preachy in the end, but the dialogues that says his savagery when he's
to one extent it was fine, but like it was crossing that. That's why I said at the end it was preachy.
But at the end it was preachy, but the dialogue he says when he's crashed in the jeep, and Ibrahim comes to him and he says that this house Yeah, he said that this house is made by
Yeah.
Musa
Yeah.
Kadir, my father.
Yeah.
That is house is made by Kadir, my father, and if somebody barges in, I will escort him to the hell. So
and he
I
also
it
said
was
something about this death, like when Roshan Matthew said if I died, like please cremate me near my daughter, and then he say like if you died, that didn't matter.
Nothing's going to
Wherever you
matter.
cremate. Yeah, like it's amazing.
Yeah,
Like,
the only preachy dialogue is after the
last.
after he left the screen and his dialogues become a part of narration. Then his dialogues are preachy. But even the dialogues there that when they all are on the
those are
rocks.
really great dialects, but still, yeah.
Yeah, that dialogue when he says that when Suma says that now the things
Everything
are
is
going to
changed.
change between us. So he says, no, the things are not going to be changed.
Changed in that side. Yeah.
At that side, यहाँ का तो I am not sure about us, but other than us, the things are going to be same. So we have done our part. And we shouldn't be thinking that the world will change.
Yeah, and one thing is like you can make this kind of a film only in Kerala, I guess, because they have made a film like trans, and they have also like because you cannot make a trans in Jallikattu. Yeah, you cannot make a trans in any other industry. Like you cannot make it in Hindi or Tamil or Telugu. It's very impossible. But because that is sorry.
We can make films. If we can make a rock star and a tamasha, we can make a trans as well.
Like, but like like even Hindi made a PK. Okay, PK was amazing film. No.
But
the thing is,
what PK is, we will talk.
But the thing I would like to say is like you cannot talk about, okay, this is going to be a controversial one, but still fine. You cannot talk about the this oh my god, I just forget the word. What like this
religion, communalism.
You cannot talk against the minorities in our country. It's very hard. Like if you talk against them, it can create a lot of problems. But in PK,
these days it's not a problem.
In PK they speak against Hindus. They are majorities, so it didn't create any problems. Yeah, that's what I think.
No, but nowadays saying things about Muslims or Muslims won't make a difference. But if you say something, Amir Khan has to flee the country. So you cannot, and you are absolutely right. What Kamal Hassan's Vishwarupam has faced. But something baseless.
Yeah, but when the film got released, they get to know that he either played a Muslim character, and like the Muslim character is the protagonist of the film. They didn't know what is going to come, and they created Rakas before that.
And it's not about Muslims only, it's about Hindus as well. See Padmavat. And Karni Sena took a U-turn after watching it.
And
they say, oh, this is a good film.
Because after the trailer of the song, like this Boomer song, they thought that they're going to show that Padmavati as in a bad way, but they didn't show. They showed in a brilliant way at the climax and all. Like they showed with a lot of dignity, like with so much power. So like
prejudices are everywhere, and those prejudices, if don't hamper and don't obstruct the creativity, then it is good. But more often than that, we see these political agendas and propagandas coming in the ways of cinema. So that is just a part and parcel about the cinema in India. So
Hindi, same plot, same story, but just in Hindi. then people would have protested against it. I'm 100% sure about it.
I am of the same opinion. I fully agree with
Because
you.
like there is I'm not saying they, of course, people do politics on the basis of religion, but it is very less as compared to northern part of India. I am not talking about Jammu Kashmir. I am talking about this northern states, especially Madhya Pradesh, UP, Bihar. There like people are mostly very offensive with respect to their religion. And I don't know, like it could be because of political propaganda.
You are talking about offensive, or you are talking abusing? That's it. Now about the Subbu, you are okay with the if we say something political?
Because this thing
Yeah, that's fine.
this
That's fine.
Malayalam audience,
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
So
fine.
if nowadays, if you say something about the supreme leader, it becomes a blasphemy. So you are not even a Hindu if you say something about a political leader.
Yeah.
you are in South India, like there is like a very less type of like propaganda is there, as I said, but it's very less. But if you if you'll hear some news about what is happening in Delhi or in those areas, like if anyone is speaking against government, if, as Andy said, if anyone is speaking against supreme leader, their
Yeah.
supreme leader, then they are directly charging that what Deshdrohi.
Blasphemy. You are not a Hindu.
Anti-Indian.
Anti-Hindu,
Anti-Hindu,
anti-national.
yeah.
Yeah, you are everything anti.
I mean, because and
Yeah.
since the Kuruti one we have watched, like, but we are like we prefer watching films with subtitles, and
Yeah.
I think like especially those people who are very defensive about their religion, if they would have
Yeah.
watched it, like of course they would have said
Yeah.
something.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
only one thing
but
I would like to say
adding to
is, yeah, like because only one thing what I believe is, if you respect your religion, well, yeah, it's going to be now I'm saying a lot of now we are talking a lot about religions, but that's fine. Yeah, if you respect your religion, if you respect your language, then you should have to respect others' language and others' religion also. If I respect Hinduism means, then if somebody is believing a Muslim is a Islam is a great thing means, then that is
oh.
yes. Sorry, I got
Yes,
disconnected.
you.
Yeah,
Okay,
like,
okay.
yeah, like if I'm respecting Tamil means, then if somebody is respecting Hindi or if somebody is respecting Telugu means, I have to. Oh my God. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, continue.
Yeah. Sorry. Oh my God. Yeah. Guys, can you hear me now?
Yeah,
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, like if I'm respecting my mother tongue means, and I should have to agree, not agree, like I should have to okay with that. If somebody respect his mother tongue also, like everybody have the like this is what I'm going to say. Like if you respect your religion means, then you should have to give respect to the other religions also. Yeah, because everything is equal, right? That is what I believe. Yeah. Okay.
and I don't think when it comes to religion, like have you seen Oh My God? I think Andy,
Yeah.
you have
Yep.
seen it. Of course, you have seen. Subbu, have you seen Oh My God? It's
Oh my
Paresh
God.
Rawal's film. Yeah, so
Like
they have
when the
shown
film
the
got
blind.
Aniket, hello.
yeah.
Can you recall the Oh My God's Tamil remake?
It's
Then
Telugu. Gopala. It's
Telugu remake.
Yeah,
Oh
So
Gopala.
he might have seen it.
Yeah.
Pawan Kalyan
Okay.
and Venkatesh.
Yeah. I've seen it. Yeah.
So they have shown like blind faith in religion. So that film, they have exactly depicted what they wanted to show, and they have shown us like the religion. They means they aren't telling us to stop following our religion, but they are telling us to stop blind faith on those people.
Godman.
Yeah, agents of God. So they are very beautiful insight. So and I think even I am agree with it. Like, and I don't think so. Like any religion in this world will teach you hateism, hate
Yeah.
against any other religion. I don't
Yeah,
think
because
so.
that's the thing. Like, we didn't take some good things from the religion, the spiritual things. We always take the bad things. Like, like if somebody kills that guy, it means we have to kill him. Like, it's not like that. Take the good things and leave the bad things. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
yeah, it's going very preachy.
Same applies
Like,
with
So,
everything.
yeah.
so Aniket, I want to make a point that you said if we make a film, uh,
Uh,
it might become problematic. But there is another way that we can make that film.
yeah,
We
okay.
can show caste, a minority caste and a majority caste in it.
Yeah, yeah. Like
So we
Article
can
50.
do like Article 15. Oh, Article 15
Yeah,
also had
Article 15.
backlash, but
Yeah, but it's a
it
fantastic.
also has the really positive.
Yeah, like speaking of Article 15, you cannot like it is remaking in Tamil. Okay, they are remaking the film in Tamil. Yeah, and that guy is a MLA now. Okay, like
Okay.
his dad is a CM, and like his dad is the CM of
No,
uh,
no, you're not.
like his dad is the CM of Tamil Nadu.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Who,
and like
Mauricio or
Udin installed. Yeah. Yeah, but
are you talking
that's
about?
not the case. Yeah, like but in this film you cannot have that dialogue where they used to talk about this caste thing. Okay, when he used to say, are you this, like that is the biggest conversation about which caste you are and who is best and all at one, and the police station or outside of the police station Article 15. That's the conversation, you know, like who is the best. No, they are the best, and something like
Yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Yeah,
I remember that scene.
yeah, and you can, there is
Yeah,
no
that was
point
in
you if you make that in Tamil, yeah, like that's it.
Yeah.
that
Yeah,
won't have a point in Tamil.
yeah, you like I think it's impossible to make it in Tamil.
Yeah, Andy,
But
in Tamil
yeah.
Nadu, you will
Hmm.
find like casteism. You will find more. Like
Yeah,
we that Tamilians, like they are equal with their language, but when it comes to the caste, no. And even I have heard that while studying, like at one point I started learning Tamil, so that at that particular point I have learned that these many Tamil politicians, like they abuses this Tamil Brahmins just because they have added Sanskrit word to Tamil language.
yeah,
Is it right, Supu?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, that's the problem.
Casteism
Okay.
is very sensitive issue in Tamil Nadu.
Yeah, like okay, yeah, we'll can and continue all this in the next part. Yeah,
Okay.
Should we
yeah,
join back?
yeah.